In this video, we are going to work through a geometric construction exercise. This is the exercise we are going to do. We are going to create this drawing using the geometric construction techniques. Okay, let's see how to create this drawing. Okay, first of all, I'm going to draw all the center lines. Here, I'm starting with this horizontal center line, this one. Okay, all the dimensions are given in millimeters. To represent the center line, I'm going to use the thin line. Okay, then this vertical center line. Okay, then these two vertical center line, 48 millimeter. There's another vertical center line, 54 millimeter away. Okay, then we are going to draw this incline line 10 degree, and this is 40 degree incline lines. Okay, then I'm going to draw this center arc for this circular slot R 60 millimeter. Okay, first of all, I'm going to draw this circle, diameter 48 millimeter. Okay, then I'm going to draw this outer circle that is 35 millimeter in radius. Here I'm going to use the thin line because we don't know what are the end point for these tangent points. So I'm going to use the thin line. Later we can dark the circle. Okay, then we are going to draw this straight slot. Inner radius is equal to this arc radius is equal to 8 millimeter. Here I'm going to complete the slot by drawing the two straight lines. Okay, then I'm going to draw this curved slot, either one. Here inner radius 6 millimeter, outer radius 12 millimeter. Okay, but then I'm going to complete this slot by drawing this circular arc. That is here it is 60 millimeter. This radius is equal to 12 millimeter. 60 plus 12, 72 millimeter. This arc radius is equal to 72 millimeter. See the curved slot. Then I am going to draw this tangent arc. You can see arc 12 millimeter. When you are going to draw the tangent arc, we should know what is the center for this tangent arc. Here the distance in between these two is equal to the addition of radius of these two circles. Here it is 12, here it is 12. Distance in between these two centers is equal to 24 millimeters. Okay, let's draw an arc with 24 millimeters. Okay, then here you can see this radius is equal to 35 millimeter and this arc radius is equal to 12 millimeter. From this center to this center, the distance is equal to 35 plus 12, 47 millimeters. Okay, this is the center point for the tangent. Okay, let's find the start and end point for the tangent. Okay, these are the one end point, these are the end point. So then now we can draw the arc. Radius is equal to 12 millimeter. Okay, then we are going to draw this semicircle 50 millimeter in radius. Then we are going to draw these two straight line. So we don't know what is the end point, so I'm going to use the thin line to draw these straight lines. Okay, then we are going to draw this tangent arc. You can see this arc also tangent externally, so outer radius is equal to 35. Here it is 24. The centers in between these two circular arc and the circle is equal to 59. Okay, then here you can see this arc is tangent to the straight line. So from the straight line to this arc center, distance is equal to 24 millimeter. Okay, let's mark that one also. Here is 24. Okay. Okay. This is the tangent point for the line. This is the tangent point for the circle. Okay, let's do the arc. Arc radius is equal to 24 millimeter. Okay. Similarly for this arc, you are going to draw here. This is the center point. Here this is the arc starting point. Here this is the arc ending point. Okay, let's do the arc. Okay, now we can draw this straight line. Okay, now we can complete this circle also. Okay, so next one we are going to draw this tangent line. Here this tangent line is tangent to this semicircle R15 semicircle, and also it is tangent to this arc. It having the 60 plus 12 72 millimeter in radius. Okay, here first of all, you have to draw the circle with the radius r is equal, here it is 72 minus 15, r is equal 57 millimeter. Okay, this is the circle. Okay, then next one we are going to, here these are the two centers for these two circles. So we are going to bisect this line here to here. This line we are going to bisect. Okay, this is the middle point of this line. So then I'm going to draw a semicircle by taking this point as center and taking the radius as half of this length. Okay, then you can see previously drew circle, there is a circle that is intersecting with this semicircle at this point. Okay, then join these 2 points, the center and this intersection point, and extend the line up to this arc. Okay, we need the tangent point for the line. So then next we have to draw the parallel line to this line passing through this point. We keep the triangle like this. Okay, by holding this one, slide one triangle, this triangle up to this point, then draw the line. Okay, then this is the tangent point. Okay, then join these 2 points using the straight line. Okay, this is how we are completing this exercise using the correct geometric construction techniques. Okay, thank you. See you next video.